the most important thing which any director in the boardroom must understand and see that how organization is sustainably growing, how organization is sustainably is able to adapt to new situation which we just talked about, and then the decisions which we take there are beneficial to the stakeholders, beneficial to all stakeholders, including the consumers, which is there for the organization to grow. Uh, uh, um, you, what I feel is that the participation of individual, understanding the growth path, understanding how the decisions are taken for the benefit of the society, benefit of organizations' sustainability, and implementation of decisions which are being taken are in the right direction.